everybody, welcome back to day 2 at the new job site. So today, in no particular order, went ahead and started out by throwing out all these plastic topping shelf pieces, basically some black plastic that was used for these shelves, as far as I know. Anyways, cleared out this second Connex. As you can see, we did leave the shelf in there, and the rest of it was just tools, and we did sweep all that stuff off the floor. Another thing we did today was set these lights apart, and we did take apart the shelves on the outside of the Connex. So we put the lights on the ground, separated those out, and then we took all the strut and stuff. I didn't really have a place for that at the moment, as they're 20-foot sticks of strut. Some of them are single, some of them are back to back. But anyways, we got the shelves off the outside, put all the all thread on the inside of the building on the pipe rack. There was some scaffolding laying against the side of the other Connex, so we moved that, cleared off the racks off the other side of the other Connex, and there was a whole bunch of pipe, which you'll see here, which we moved to the other side of the job site, which is right here. We've got a huge, like a 4-post thing to put pipe in. We got that full of pipe, moved that, and then we took the other 2 racks of pipes and took some mule tape and tied them together, and we moved those and got those setting on some wood. Cleaned out the second Connex, got this shelf on the left dropped. This was a picture from yesterday, and the only thing we basically left is that shelf in the back and that other strut up top. Possibly might have got left or taken down, I'm not sure. Still a couple things in this Connex, but I think we're going to empty that out completely tomorrow, so both of these Connex can get taken away off the job site. Anyways, that's about it. Did a little bit of work also with the forklift again, helping someone out with that, spotting. Other than that, that's about it. That wraps up my second day. Oh, we also did put a baloney cord together. Well, we hooked up a baloney cord in a spider box by splitting that with a Y. Anyways, that was all my electrical that I did today, mostly working outside again, cleaning, moving stuff, cleaned out the trailer, moved some stuff into the new office and stuff like that. But that's it. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. I will see you in the next one tomorrow to wrap up the week. God bless. Love you guys. Peace.